Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K60 Pro. In this video I'll show you the special button description. Let's start with lighting effects. Press FN button and 1 for spiral rainbow, 2 for rain, 3 rainbow wave, 4 visor, type lighting, again type lighting but this time for ripple, 7 for color shift, 8 for color pulse, 9 for color wave and 0 for static. Now let's take a look at the functions. Fn plus F1 toggle win lock, F3 decrease backlight brightness, F4 increase backlighting brightness. Now for additional buttons. Fn plus this button, reset to onboard stored effect, plus this button, reduce effect speed, with equal button, which is right here, increase effect speed, with this button rotate left, and with this button rotate lighting light. In the end, we can use Fn plus F5 to mute, F7 decrease volume, F8 increase volume, F9 stop playback, F10 last track, F11 play pause, F12 next track. In order to factory reset, hold the escape button while plugging in the USB connector, then release escape key after 2 seconds. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.